So you're gonna measure from the high to the low. Everyone who put stop losses up here to go short, they got all taken out. Real clear right there, look, premium levels, and we get that sell from right there. Straight drop. That's like 150 pips right there. I'm gonna put y'all onto some real sauce, like for real, for real. It don't matter if you trade crypto, Forex, stocks, it don't matter. This right here that I'm about to put y'all onto, this is how the markets move. It's a fact that I'm gonna be putting y'all on. Alright, look, I'm gonna give y'all some examples for crypto, Forex, and something like US 30 or something. Start with Bitcoin. Let's go on the 4-hour chart. Alright, we're gonna start off with a bullish example. So first thing y'all wanna look for is a break market structure. And look, I don't know if y'all see it, but yup, it broke structure. If you look to the left, it looks like a lower high or a swing high, and that got broken. Alright, on the 4-hour. So this is what you would do. Pull out that fib, and you're gonna measure from the start of the move to the end of the move. Alright, we're gonna measure this whole move right here. Bam. Just like that. Just like that. Y'all see it? Y'all see it right there? Just to remind y'all, below the 50%, we finna find what? We finna find discount levels. And then above the 50%, we gonna find them premium levels. That middle line right here is our 50% line, alright? So we wait until price comes below that. If you're looking for buys, then that's what you're waiting for, right? For price to come through, come below that 50%, right into that discount level, so you could just hop in, put your orders in, and then you go up. Y'all see it though? Real simple, real easy. Let's go on the lower time frames. Zoomed into the 1-hour chart real quick, just so y'all could see. Look, price comes up, right? Breaks structure. And what do traders do? They wait for that retracement and they hop in, right? For that buy, they hop in. And that's where they get fucked. But if you look at it on the 4-hour chart, and we put our fib in from where that move started to where it ended, price would still be at 50%. You know, we wait until price comes through at discount levels, all right, below the 50%. So then we go right that move up. This is gonna really put you onto, like, you know, where we at in the market, within market structure. You'll know where you at. Let me show y'all another example right here real quick. From this low to this high. And look at that, price comes through below the 50%, that's our discount levels. That's where we want to be buying, hopping in right there. When this happens over and over, look, this move right here, look to your left, broke structure. Get that fib from that low to high. Simple, look at that, below the 50% discount level. But right here again, this move breaks structure to the left, and we're gonna grab this low right here to this high. Price comes up. Again, it came through for us below the 50% discount. Right here, look. Before this huge move up, it gave us a little chance to hop in. I don't know if y'all see it, but this move comes up and it breaks structure. This right here is a swing high. It broke it. So pull out that fib from the low to the high. Real easy. And then we take off. We finna go over now some examples that are going bearish. If you're going bearish, you'd be doing the opposite, right? You see this move right here, broke structure right here to the left. Real easy, real simple. That's the first thing you want to look for. We wait though until what? Price comes through above the 50%. So now we're waiting for price to hit premium levels, right? Above the 50%. Making real bread in these markets, it takes patience. You know, we ain't trying to run around chasing price. We're trying to wait, you know, to hop in. You can just ride in waves like this right here. Price comes up into premium levels. We just ride that wave. Look, hop in right here. Boom. Any of these candles, you know, premium levels. Stop loss up here. And look at that. We just ride that wave down. This move right here. Look. It looked to your left. It broke structure. Fib. Look at that. You get the big moves. I know y'all noticed, but we're on Euro USD now. This is the downtrend, right? So look, this move right here comes down. Look to your left. There, it just broke that. So you're gonna measure from the high to the low. Everyone who put stop losses up here to go short just got taken out right now in this move up. Real clear right there. Look, premium levels, and we get that sell from right there. Just straight down, straight drop. Look at that. That's what, let me see. That's like 150 pips right there. Now this happened on any time frame, all right? We go hop in on the 15-minute chart. Oh, you got one right here. If you look left, it broke structure, all right? So this is the new range right now on the 15-minute chart. That's money right there. Huge moves right there. Take off. This move right here, this huge move, look to your left, it just broke structure. So from the low to the high, we're gonna extend that out. Look, where does price come through? Right into discount levels. And right when it hits discount levels, that's when we take off. See SP500, let me see if I could give you guys another quick little example on the daily chart. This move right here, look to your left, it just broke structure. So pull out that fib and we measure from the start of the move to the end of the move. Price comes up to premium levels above the 50%. Y'all see it? Straight into profit. Straight into profit. That's ranges for y'all. Sound real basic, you know, but for sure, you're gonna avoid entering at the wrong times. Making trading just simple. Not trying to overcomplicate it. Y'all see how many indicators I got? None. Trying to keep it as clean as possible. And like that, we just strictly focus on price action, on what really matters. Look, y'all already know what to do. Y'all want to see more shit like this? Let me know in the comments. So that's pretty much it for this one. I'm about to catch y'all later.